I made this wedding website with AI in a couple of minutes without, coding, without moving elements and being frustrated. It's effective and beautiful. In my opinion, you tell me. So here I got the main page. We are getting married by the sea, Anna and Tom. I got also the countdown here. Then everything you need to know about the schedule, when you travel, the register that you can click on. Then also the gallery here. Then we have the schedule, what is happening here. Then venue and travel, recommended hotels here. Then we have the gallery. And then also the questions, the FAQ. Very simple, very effective for the registry. So yeah, so that's something I'm going to show you in this video, how you can make something like this, how you can edit it, and how the whole process works. I hope it's going to be beneficial. Let's go. So we're going to use a Claude Design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. So what we're going to do is that we're not going to start straight up writing to Claude Design to make me a website. You want to come here to the Google, where you can write wedding website template, and you can write Figma, Webflow, or even you can write here Framer, and you are going to find plenty of templates. Or if you got some existing website of someone that made it and you really like it, you can download it as a website to PNG. So all you have to do is get a PNG file of the website, and we're going to use it as inspiration. You don't want to let a Claude Design to build it by its own, because it doesn't look that great and it's very similar to all the other websites. What you want to do is you want to always get some inspiration. So first find something that you can get. I've already found something, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to start writing a prompt. So this is the prompt that I wrote. You just want to write there the colors, what is the wedding is going to be about. So share as much information as you can with Claude. So here, hey there, I want you to build me a wedding website, mobile friendly, sending you screenshots of how I want the website to look like, multiple pages. Ask me any questions related to this website. I want you to have a little bit of light blue, some animations there, add some photos from the internet related to wedding. We want to have it on the beach, so add there things related to it. And just make me something. This is just for tutorial, but here you want to write the things, what is going to be about, the design that you would like, the colors that you would like to have there. Just share things, but primarily let it ask you the things about it. Like, what are some important things? Just ask me stuff so I can answer it. This is just mine, what I write here, but that's something that you want to write. Things that are important. Okay, now for the model, I don't know if in the future when you're watching this video, if the Fable 5 is going to be available, but use Opus 4.8 or whatever model there is going to be. And in the moment when there are multiple pages, go with the high or max. Don't just go with the medium. If you're building one simple landing page, the Opus 4.8 medium is going to be sufficient, or whatever model there is. You can always edit it, you can always improve it. I will show you how. It's not that difficult. So here I got it. I'm going to send it. I'm using Fable 5 right now only because I want to have multiple pages, and Fable 5 is very effective for building complex things comparing to Opus 4.8. So now it asks me the questions. That's something that you want to answer, what pages you want. Then also beach touches to include. So also tone of the copy, romantic, elegant. And it just asks me questions. It's going to ask you questions too, so you just want to answer it. In a moment when you're going to be finished, I'm going to press continue. So now it's going to start to make a website for me. All right, so now it just made it on the first take. Of course, I would have to change the picture. So how are you going to make edits? So either you're going to write here to description that what you want to change, or you're going to click here on the comment where you can just like press here and you're like, okay, or like just remove this, and just comment it what you're going to draw, or you're going to click edit, that you can change the things by yourself. That, for example, you can change the text, you can change the designs and everything by yourself. So that's something that you can also do, and then that's something that you can do. So write, comment, or edit. So the next thing is that how we can actually export it, or I will show you right here when I'm going to click present new tab. Important thing, before you're going to make any big changes on the website, duplicate it. So if you want to do some big stuff, duplicate the project first. So it's hard to go back with the Claude. That's something that you want to always do, okay? So now when we have it and when we have the fully working website, Then what we're going to do is we have to export it and add the domain. So how it's done is that down below in the description, you're going to have a link. Click on it. It's a Hostinger link. Right here, you're going to click pricing. And there, you're going to find that you have web hosting, premium, unlimited. So here you can go with the premium. And let's say if it's out for the 12 months, because in 12 months you're going to be married, then just choose the 12 months. That's it. So the length, just choose here how long it's going to be from the website. And then wedding Marcus, I would add it and have a coupon code right here, Marcus. So you're going to get 10% off even. So that's a bonus. So there you're going to have a domain. You have also the period here. For the first year, it's free. So very good. And this is how you can do it for 50 bucks. Now, when you're going to have it and when you're going to do this, don't install any WordPress or anything like that. I'm going to write to Claude. So please now export me the main page as index.html and other pages related to it also in HTML format. Thank you. So I can add it to hosting with domain. So I'm going to send it right now. It's going to make me it. And of course, how I mentioned, you can edit it. You can change the picture. So I could click here, edit, and I can click here and I see the source and I can change that. Or I can click here and I see the image. I'm seeing the source. So you can change the images. You can talk with Claude how much you want to edit. Because even for this, it did in one take and it looks good. It doesn't look bad at all. So for me, I like that. And I don't know how long this would take me to make on, you know, WordPress or Squarespace or Wix or something like that. In this way, this is insane in my opinion. So in a moment right now it's doing it for me. And I got also countdown here. So I'm going to come to Hostinger. And how it works is that you're going to come to your site where you have it. Websites. And there you're going to find the dashboard. So when you're going to do it, and it's right now making me and exporting me it, you're going to come here to Files and File Manager and Access Files. What you're going to do here, public HTML, remove everything that is there, and then when it's going to export me the site, we're going to insert it right here. That's the whole process. So look at that. Now it's been done. So I'm going to download it. Okay, we got it. So I'm going to open the file. I'm going to come here, website, and then I'm just going to insert it into it. And that's the whole website. How effective was that, right? So we're gonna change the picture, change the things, maybe have an Instagram there, I don't know. And I'm going to write and open the site now so you can actually see it's going to work out. So websites, company tutorials. This is just the example, schedule. And there is this thing, for example, when I click here, do you see that something's there, the like logo of it? So I would have to make changes for that. But yeah. See this loading. So this is something that again I would write to Claude, you know, change me this. There is just loading. I don't want to have the loading there. And that's it. So thank you very much. Hope you have a great day. Hope you like this video, that it's going to be beneficial, because for me it's actually insane. And goodbye.